Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to use Google Search Console data to analyze or improve SEO traffic for your website. So let's get started. See one example. Suppose you have to click on performance, then click on add filter and use queries. And here you can put uh, some transactional queries. So I categorize queries into four parts: navigational, BOFU, MOFU, TOFU, or we can say informational queries, or we can say comparison queries. And these are transactional queries, these are navigational queries. So we can search these queries here. This is the regex formula, so you have to use custom regex and put AI. So according to your business model, you can increase more words here, or you can ask to chat gpt and analyze the data. So after finding all categories data, you can see how much traffic we are getting. Suppose you are getting only 2% traffic from transactional queries, that means it's here we are lacking. So you have to improve that area. And other things you can see. And similarly you can do this for pages. Suppose I have two sections, so I can use resume. One section is resume, second is cover letter. So I will see which section is not performing or outperforming, right? And other, what else we can do? We can find two word queries, three word queries, four word queries. This analysis also help to find out what kind of audience I am having. Suppose you are getting two or three words queries, that means you are ranking for popular keywords, because two or three words keywords are very popular. If you are getting long, more than 5 or 6 word query, that means you are getting traffic from AI or something long tail keywords. So to understand your audience and where we are lacking and where we have opportunities to improve SEO, these analysis can help you definitely. So look, generally SEO person, what they do optimize site maps, robot.txt, meta tags, heading tags, and no polo, no index, and crawling indexing. So they do fix things, they optimize these things. But experienced SEO people only go to in-depth analysis and find opportunities where we are lacking, where we can improve our SEO. So you have to understand like this. I hope you like this session. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.